So let me introduce myself, Dr. Seal, Chair of Material Science and Engineering Department. Dr. Kushima is also faculty at MSc, AMPAC, and also undergraduate program coordinator. Dr. Fang is the director of AMPAC, professor of MSc, and also graduate program director. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be giving you an overview of our department. And feel free to stop us if you have any questions during this presentation. As you know that we have a mission, and the mission is that we are inclusive, we are discovery and innovation based, and we do anything to unleash the potential of every individual, either students, faculty, staff at UCF. I always like to throw in this slide, who knew 10,000 years back, a caveman standing on a rock, ever imagine that at some day we will be able to send a spaceship to the outer galaxies, or even in our planet, we'll have innovations including electricity, transportation, and everything. And one of the material which really innovated the technological advancement is the material named silicon. So material science and engineering discipline is one of the very lucrative discipline where you can really study and learn any material starting from semiconductor to biology to biomedical to space to electronics, and the imagination is very broad. This is our department facts, relatively newer department, last 12 years old. We have a good amount of external research funding. Our faculties are quite good in publishing papers, getting patents, and we do have almost 34 faculty members, a total of 84 to 90 MS and PhD students, and also our undergraduate students numbers are growing. As you can see, MSc faculties are diverse, but they are the experts in their own field. They really come to UCF through a very rigorous search process, interview process, and they present best of the best. We also have a lot of national award winners, from fellows to career award winners. Almost 10 to 12 people over the years have won many such honors. We also have good facilities, from clean room to faculty labs at our new Research One building. We also have good materials characterization facility where every tool is close to $1 million or even more. As I was saying, our faculties do very innovative research, and we also do research which aligns with the national and the international initiatives. Here are some of the examples. Faculties are working on additive manufacturing, coatings for super repellent for aerospace industries, people working on hybrid electronics, like someday your watch or other things is going to potentially measure all kinds of disease vitals. Energy plays a very important role. Battery plays a very important role. People are continuously looking into high-efficient solar cells to high-efficient battery materials to innovate tomorrow's energy industries. A significant number of people work on biomedical devices, from therapeutics to lab on a chip, or even sensing vital molecules. Besides that, in the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have also faculties who are continuously working on modeling and simulation of materials before it goes into production and application. We also created semiconductor, infectious, and AI initiative. We are hiring many faculties into this area, and we're also integrating various modules in our teaching and curriculum as well. Our faculties and the students are very innovative. They have a lot of early stage startups and licensing of our technology through our UCF Office of Research. So our potential opportunities for our graduates from space, manufacturing, energy, defense, and electronics, and also entrepreneurships. We have a lot of materials chapters as well, and we always sponsor speakers in these chapters. Now I'm going to hand over to Professor Kushima. He's going to talk briefly on our undergraduate program. Professor Kushima.
Okay, so our undergraduate program in MSc started in 2019, but we got ABET accredited in fall 2023. So we are very confident about quality of our research. And here are all the numbers and enrollment change and also the demographic of our department. Since we started the program in 2019, initial number of students was 20, and we have constant growth in the number of students. And currently we have about 135 students in the total. Okay, not only just the classroom study, we are also having lots of opportunities about hands-on research. Since our department have almost 30 PhDs, including professors and lecturers, there are lots of opportunities for hands-on lab research. And if you do some good research, you have opportunities to publish your research and also present in the conferences. We are constantly investing on purchasing new instrument. Last year, we purchased $100,000 nano indentation equipment, which can test mechanical property or materials in very fine scale. And recently, we have decided to UCF decided to purchase advanced transmission electron microscopy, which enables us to analyze elemental and chemical state of materials in atomic scale. And we also have entrepreneurship opportunities. And some of the undergraduate students who graduate from our department started a company in this Lake Nona area. They are making fabrics out of seaweed, and it looks like they are doing pretty good.
Now I hand over to the graduate program director, Professor Jiu Fang.
Hi, I'm going to give a brief introduction of our graduate program. Currently, our rank is 49 based on the US News and World Report. We are tied with several well-known universities, such as the Boston College, Rutgers, University of Arizona, and UMass Amherst. Current our enrollment is a little bit over 80, and you can see from those tables. So our enrollment in our graduate program is quite consistent. So each year we graduate roughly 10 PhD student and 10 master student. So in terms of their placement, 20%, 25% of our PhD student landed the academic job as a postdoc and after the graduations. 75 land a job in the industries. Next slide, please. So we have a centralized material characterizing facility. We're training the graduate student and the several major equipment to support their research. Next slide, please. So in terms of the research, okay, so here is the, each year we publish around 100 papers. So several papers appeared on a very high impact journal of the cover, such as Advanced Material, Advanced Function Material, JACS, ACS Nano, Science Advance.
Now I'm going to give you some brief talking points from our best alumni graduates from our department. Here's something from Professor Jalivand.
Hi, I am Gaurav Jalivand, an assistant professor at the University of South Carolina. I'm also a proud PhD graduate from the MSc program at UCF. I remember when I was in search for graduate schools with opportunities to do research in materials, UCF specifically stood out because not many schools offer a dedicated MSc program. And I wanted to immerse myself in a department that specializes in this discipline. What makes MSc so exciting to me is its versatility. In my opinion, material science and engineering as its name suggests, bridges the gap between science and engineering, which means its applications are virtually limitless. As a professor now, I often reflect on how my time at UCF shaped my path. One of the highlights was the opportunity to work with the state-of-the-art materials characterization facility. The techniques that I learned have been invaluable to my research across various areas, many of which I apply daily in my current role. So if you are considering the MSc program at UCF, whether you're thinking of pursuing academia or industry after graduation, I can tell you that the possibilities are endless.
Now hear from Dr. Petia Georgieva from Siemens.
My name is Peggy Farland. I'm a department head of the risk management organization at Siemens Energy. I graduated from UCF in 2006 with a PhD in material science and engineering. My advisor at UCF, Dr. Seo, trusted me and my colleagues and empowered us to build a brand new plasma lab for materials processing. While doing my studies, I was able to write my dissertation, create several patents and publications, and I had a great job offer even before I graduated from UCF. The faculties at Material Science and Engineering department truly care about their students even after they graduate. I was recognized as a distinguished alumni from the College of Engineering and Computer Science, and I serve on the advisory board for the Material Science and Engineering department. It is a great pleasure and honor for me to continue helping students with their career choices, projects, and studies.
So as our President, Dr. Cartwright said, we remain committed, unleashing potentials and foster new ideas to create opportunities and what lies ahead of us. These are our contact points. You know, three of us. For MSc academic support, Kerry and Wright is the person to contact too. Please scan this QR code as well. And also for questions and survey, please scan these QR codes. Now I'll take a few questions if you have it. Thank you so much.